Hey everybody, coming to you from Southeast Fabricators here in Rocky Mount, North Carolina. Get some holes drilled in my topper today, trying to get some Molle panels attached, and tried to do it myself and turned into a damn nightmare. So figured what better than a farmer's workout to the experts. So they're going to drill some holes for me in this stainless steel topper and get me on my way. So stick along, stick around. Now you can see where I try to drill a hole myself. This little dot right here, that's about 30 minutes worth of work with cobalt drill bit, M35, whatever. You see I got pretty much dang nowhere. So I marked out the holes for them on both sides, and gonna get this guy to hook me up and get me on the road. Alright y'all, so they ended up taking the doors off and taking it over to the machine shop and getting them on a drill press. So turned into a bit more than we thought it was going to turn into, but I can't say enough about these guys over at Southeast Fabricators. They really stepped up and knocked this out. So next time you see it, I'll have my Molle panels on it and get a final look. Alright, well this is the finished product for the most part. So this is a Cali Raised LED panel, however you say their name, with some Builtright Industries mounting hardware. It's like an anodized red. One pack of the mounting hardware does one panel, and it comes with a bunch of different standoff lengths and all that. So this is what I got for now. I'll show you the other side and kind of what I've done for it. There you go. Yeah, I kind of like the traction boards mounted on the inside, but then that kind of defeats the purpose. If you get sand or mud or something on them, then you end up putting all that stuff in your bed. So mounted these. These are from Builtright Industries. It is their mounting brackets. So 2 brackets will mount 2 boards. So there we go. There's my finished product.